It's a red-headed woodpecker. The head is red. Hey, it's a woodpecker. So I get a chance to see the birds in my backyard. See it? Right there at the very, very corner. Where is it going? Okay, Mr. Woody Woodpecker. Oh, look at that. Isn't it beautiful? Oh, that's beautiful. He has a little red spot in the head. Come closer, baby. Come closer. You seem so far away. Okay. All right, he's coming closer or she's coming closer. Okay, come closer, come closer, come closer. Ooh, come closer, come closer. Yes, come closer. Ooh, it's coming closer, it's coming closer. Ooh, it's coming closer. Oh, ah, all right. It's up there now. Oh, it's two of them. Oh shit, it's two of them. They're woodpeckers. There goes one right there. Oh, there it is. And then there's another one up there. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. There goes the other one up there.